Hey guys, Trent Harris with Master Medical Equipment. We're joined here today by two very special guests. We've got Miss Kathy Linville from Laerdal Medical, along with Tony Mengwasser from React Health. We're going to be talking about a couple of products today. We're very excited about it and we hope you will be too.
Today we're going to be utilizing the SimMan Critical Care, one of our newest simulators, to help show you the functionality of the V+Pro ventilator.
And with some of the recent changes in the ventilation market, we are getting a lot of requests from EMS and others for a ventilator option. So I'm here to talk to you today about the V+Pro ventilator. All of the ventilators come standard with invasive, non-invasive, and high flow, with no additional upgrades required, and it is approved for patients 5 kilograms and larger.
Here we're just showing the high flow cannula. You can use a non-proprietary cannula, so any manufacturer's cannula will work with this device. Just plugs right into the passive or active circuit on the V+Pro. So the high flow cannula in the V+Pro delivers 4 to 60 liters at 21 to 100% FiO2. So as your patient deteriorates, the V+Pro has the ability to go up to bi-level, or as we'll show next, invasive ventilation. All right, so now we've transitioned from the high flow nasal cannula therapy that we were delivering to this patient into invasive ventilation. One thing that the V+Pro is really great at is leak compensation as well as patient synchrony. The main goal when we have somebody that's intubated is to keep the patient comfortable during transport.
So with our enhanced variable leak performance, what you'll notice is that when the patient's leak changes, the triggering, sensitivity, and synchrony are not adversely affected. Currently we're at about a 27 liter per minute leak. I'm going to pop open an additional leak. You'll notice it takes the device approximately 2 breaths, at which time then it now compensates for the new leak, 45 liters per minute, and the breath was not adversely affected. I'll pop open an additional leak just to make it even larger. We can compensate for approximately 175 liters per minute a leak. Again, you'll notice it takes approximately 2 breaths. Significant increase in our leak, and our synchrony and triggering were not adversely affected. This is real important when you're talking about non-invasive because of the positional mask leak as well as facial hair and all the other challenges that go with that. One of the other things we'd like to demonstrate is some of what you may hear referred to as hybrid modes or volume targeted modes that gives the patient the benefit of being in a pressure mode of ventilation, but you can guarantee a tidal volume. One of the other advantages is that we have 3 volume targeted pressure modes of ventilation you may hear referred to as hybrid modes. What you'll notice right now is I have a tidal volume just under 500 mils at a ventilating pressure of approximately 23 centimeters of water pressure. As the patient's resistance or compliance changes, whether it be due to disease process or medications, which we're going to do on the simulator right now, you'll see at that pressure my tidal volume drops. So what the machine does is it detects that I'm not delivering my desired tidal volume. The ventilating pressure then goes up to deliver my target tidal volume of approximately 500 mils. You'll see here I have a tidal volume 335. Peak inspiratory pressure goes up slightly to recruit more volume. You'll see it goes up again until I get closer to my 500 mil desired tidal volume. This normalizes ventilation for the patient, stabilizing your CO2 and oxygen levels.
All right, I think you'll see from what we've demonstrated here today, the V+Pro is an awesome product, as well as the Laerdal SimMan Critical Care. I would like to personally thank React Health and Laerdal for assisting us today with this demonstration. Another thing we haven't talked about yet that we want to touch on is that we are also, our sister company, Renew Biomedical, is a full service center for React Health and the V+Pro ventilator. Not only can we take care of you during the sale at Master Medical Equipment, but we can also take care of you after the sale with servicing your equipment for years to come. If you'd like to learn more about either of these products, please reach out to one of our knowledgeable sales reps today. Thanks.